All right, Daniel, what are these long tubes for this? I'm guessing for an HVAC unit of some sort, right?
Yeah, so we call it spiral, which, I mean, if you look at it, it looks like a bunch of spiraled metal.
Yeah, spiral,
so
yeah.
it's just a different kind of ductwork you can use. I know a lot of like gymnasiums, or if you have like a building that wants kind of like an industrial look, sometimes they'll actually go for that on purpose. So.
Gotcha. So this y'all don't make here, this y'all order in?
Yeah, this we have to order, and we don't have the proper machinery to do that.
Gotcha. But you do a whole bunch of other stuff you make here,
Yeah,
though.
basically all the square.
Gotcha. Cool. Awesome. Thanks, man.